Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the WalletHub app to find best credit cards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the WalletHub app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type WalletHub. Press search or hit enter. You will see a list of search results. Look for the WalletHub app, which is typically marked with a distinctive logo. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. On the apps page, look for the install button if you're on Android. If you're on an iPhone, you'll see a button that says Get. Tap on the Install or Get button. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Alternatively, you might need to use your fingerprint or facial recognition. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, locate the WalletHub app on your home screen. Tap on the WalletHub icon to open the app. You may need to sign up or log in to start using its features. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, you're ready to explore the best credit card options available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.